Well, hi there, minions of technology. Quick little video with some more bloopers / counters. If you enjoy it, hit that like button for me, subscribe, leave a comment down below. We do tons of playthroughs, tons of other stuff. I'm going to tell you about this weird camera at the end of this video, and the video that you should check out to see more about how you can get video kind of like this.
Let's see if we can ignite something. Oh, wow. I hope I was supposed to step in here. Okay. Still running. I like being in running mode because I feel like walking would be a waste of time right now. 8:30. Yes! Rise, my beauty. Rise! Okay. Cool. Seeing something in a book about this. Let's see if anything happens. Ah! Haha! Okay. 3, 2, 2. 60. That was easy. Really? Really? Nothing happened? Oh, crazy. It's an interesting pattern, obviously. Oh, okay. Here we go. Do, 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 do. I know what I'm supposed to do. Do, do, do. Or not. Yeah. Bye, book. Oh. 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 Oh no. Oh my.
I hope that you enjoyed that quick little bunch of bloopers and counters. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notifications when we release more videos. Now, right now we're shooting with the Insta360 Go 2. I made a whole video on this guy, a complete vlog from head to toe. If you want to see what it's like to vlog with this camera, well then check out the video that's right over somewhere around here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go buy some Obviously merch. If you enjoy the word Obviously, then you should go buy one of our t-shirts with Obviously on it. We'll see you next time right here on Legacy Studio. Legacy Studio. Keep it crispy, my friends. First Tim 412. We'll see you next time.